For decades, the BMW M5 has been a symbol of pure power, a business sedan with the heart of a race car. But in 2025, that legacy takes a bold turn. This is the story of how BMW transformed its most iconic performance machine, not just to keep up with the times, but to redefine them. This is the all-new BMW M5 G90, a car that fuses tradition, technology, and transformation. The year is 2025, and the automotive world stands at a crossroads. Electric cars are taking over, emissions laws are tighter than ever, and even performance icons are being forced to evolve. BMW's answer? The M5 G90, a masterpiece that dares to blend old-school V8 muscle with cutting-edge hybrid tech. It's no longer just about power, it's about precision, sustainability, and the soul of driving reborn. To understand this transformation, you have to go back. In 1985, the first M5 was born, a wolf in business attire, a sedan that looked understated but moved like a supercar. Over the years, the M5 grew faster, more aggressive, more advanced. Each generation, from the E39's silky V8 to the F90's twin-turbo monster, carried one promise: performance without compromise. But now the world demands more. Power must meet purpose, and that's where the G90 steps in. Under the hood lies BMW's most ambitious M powertrain ever, a 4.4-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 paired with an electric motor. Together, they unleash a staggering 717 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. That's not just evolution, that's revolution. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour? Just 3.5 seconds. But numbers only tell part of the story. The G90 isn't just fast, it's intelligent. Its hybrid system doesn't just save fuel, it sharpens performance. Instant electric torque fills every gap, creating a surge of acceleration that feels almost otherworldly. From the outside, the G90 looks like a beast in a tailored suit. Wider, lower, and more muscular. Every line screams purpose. The signature kidney grille has evolved, more aggressive but still unmistakably BMW. Massive air intakes feed the hungry V8, while subtle M accents remind you this isn't an ordinary 5 Series. And those laser-sharp headlights, they don't just illuminate the road, they announce presence. Step inside and the G90 merges luxury with raw focus. You're greeted by BMW's curved display, a panoramic digital cockpit that wraps around the driver. Carbon fiber meets fine leather. Technology meets tradition. M-specific controls let you customize everything. From throttle response to suspension stiffness, at the touch of a button. It's a car that doesn't just drive, it adapts to you. Some will say the M5 has changed too much, that adding hybrid tech dilutes its soul. But that's where they're wrong. This isn't the end of the M legacy, it's the next chapter. The G90 doesn't abandon tradition, it evolves it. It proves that performance and progress can coexist. It's a car built not just for today, but for the future of driving itself. The BMW M5 G90, a fusion of engineering, emotion, and evolution, from tradition to transformation. Because legends don't fade, they adapt and rise faster than ever.